Hey guys, I'm Emma Ryan, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach and founder and owner of Plant. Today we're making an Almond Alfredo sauce. I don't know about you, but I grew up loving Alfredo sauce, and as soon as I gave up dairy, I needed to recreate it. So to make this, we're gonna do half a cup of almonds, and these are raw and unsalted. Same thing with our cashews, so half a cup of raw cashews. I have 1 1/4 cups of plain water, 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, 1 garlic clove, which is minced up, and you could honestly just throw in a whole clove as well, 1 lemon juiced, which is about a tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm going to do half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And last but not least, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, and that's just going to help flavor it a little bit. Now we're ready to blend. So that took me about 1 minute to blend, and you just want to make sure that it's really smooth and creamy when it's done. Depending on your blender, you might have to add more liquid. However, you should be okay. You don't want it to be too thick because then it's going to turn into like a paste on your pasta or on your spaghetti squash or your vegetables or whatever you use it on. But you do want it to be liquidy enough so you can pour it onto your pasta or your vegetables of choice. So when serving this, I love doing gluten-free noodles with roasted broccoli or Brussels sprouts. Spaghetti squash is a great option, or like I said before, just use it as a sauce on some vegetables or maybe even a quinoa bowl. But I hope you enjoy this Alfredo sauce. Share it with all of your dairy-free friends. Be sure to comment below, subscribe, and I will see you soon.